Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's LK and as the promised video came, I'm gonna show you what I really do to get that factory look on the midsoles or whatever you're repainting on your Jordans. So as you can see, I've stripped it completely. It is nice and smooth, and I have the other pair here just to give you a little not a look of how it's gonna look, because these need some fixing up too. But I don't know if you can see that, but it is kind of unsmooth there, right there, and that is something that will cause it. So do not ever paint over your something that's just messed up. You want to strip the whole thing and then get to work on it. So with this one, we're gonna do that right now. So as usual, you want to take out your laces. Alright, now that that's done, you want to get to the actual fun part, and that is actually painting the shoe. So with a damp well, not a toothbrush, but a paintbrush, what you want to do is give your little Angelus paint a shake like that, and you want to take this off slowly. So, you know, I've had spills, they're not too good at all. Take that off slowly. And instead of dipping into the Angelus paint, what I usually do is I get the paintbrush, you know, damp it just a little bit, and I touch it on the little hairs of this paintbrush, and then I start using it to paint in on mine. Now keep in mind that you do want to, you know, get this spread as far as you can, just little, not much. You do not want a lot of paint, because it will make it look uneven. And you want to do that around the whole shoe. Just keep on dipping in those little hairs. Do that around the whole shoe. Just one layer. Make sure it's even. But you want those little. You don't want a lot of paint on your paintbrush while you're doing this, because it won't look good at all when you're done with it at all. Alright guys, that is the first layer, as you can see. Now all you want to do is wait for that to dry, then apply another layer of paint and see how that gets you. You might have to dip your paint back into your the paintbrush that comes on the Angelus bottle back into the paint, and give it another shake, because you do run out of paint from the little hairs on this paintbrush. So once again, you want little increments of paint on it, and then start going back to work with it. Long strokes is what you need.